My name is Saidu Peter Bernard, the Cluster Relation Officer of Pullus Africa. So I relate with Pullus clusters. By cluster, we mean group of poultry farmers who come together, who are in close proximity, especially their farmhouse, to each other. We put them and we group them in groups, call them clusters. Now we deal with them as clusters. So now as a cluster relation officer, I go around to verify each and every cluster of Pullus. Now what is this verification all about? Now in verification, we verify these members, their farms, their capacity. We see what they can do, we see their beds capacity, we see their stocking capacity, we see their pen. And in cluster meetings, we discuss the way forward in poultry production. We also in cluster meetings discuss how Pullus can help serve farmers better and what we expect that each and every farmer should do, like update their record on the app, post to market as at when due, and very importantly, create a new batch when they stock in. So these are some of the things we do in cluster verification. So if they come out, one mama come call say, hey, my chicken owner 2 tiers remain. I bet me Pullus help me pack am. To mama, Pullus they carry only 100 chicken abi. To cluster leader where they beg, because on cluster leader self sometimes their empathy is too much. They go they beg, please can you join mama own? It's just 50, it's just 100. To cluster leader and to mama na just 100 abi. They don't carry and join 2,000. If you come cold room, where you go stay? As cold room say, make them bring only 2,000. But if you put down for the app, update your record on the app, and you'll not be the one calling us, we'll be the one calling you. So now they understand.
The verification meeting we concluded, we just concluded, is something that I'm very happy with. It's that kind of meeting that I've been looking forward to. Why? Because it's going to help my cluster members to have more confidence in Pullus Africa. Many questions were raised and questions that have been bothering us that have been treated, and the modality for the PIF was well spelt, well explained, and we now understand well that it's not just PIF customers that are very important to Pullus. All farmers are important to Pullus.
The meeting we had today is very okay by me, and I'm sure by the member too. Because one, many of us have questions in mind to ask. But God so kind, as they came, they've already answered more of our questions, especially on that insurance. Because their mind towards the insurance is that Pullus is going to eat up their money. But the moment they explain it, everybody was clear about it. Even me, I'm very happy.